Good morning on Saturday. Not only is today a Magic Kingdom day for us, the official reopening day, but we are changing resorts. So we are loading this up and hoping that it'll fit in our car as we change over to Boulder Ridge. So we'll have to see. Let's go. So we parked our car at Wilderness Lodge where we are checking in today, and behind me is where you will see the bus stop with people waiting to go. This first batch of people is going to Magic Kingdom, which is what we're doing. You will see that there are lines on the ground where people are waiting, and that's a new way to make sure people stay apart and keep everyone in order as opposed to just loosely hanging out in the area. We happen to be first in the front of the line. You'll see Heather right there. So they said that the buses will start running about an hour before park opening, which is what we suspected. So we'll have to see how it goes today. Woo! Good morning.
How are you?
Good. Awesome. Have a great time. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Magic Kingdom. Welcome home.
Hi, guys.
Good morning! Good morning, you guys have a good day!
Headed to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. It's only 8:30, park opening time at 9, but they've got the rides open, so gonna take advantage of the short wait. So we just got off of Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I wanted to give a little update. So we took buses for the first time, and although I definitely think Disney is doing everything they can to keep it safe and clean, everybody separated, being inside in that way wasn't something we were super comfortable with. So we may not do that method anymore. We'll see. Don't hold us to it. But once we got to Magic Kingdom, we got through very quickly. And even though the official opening time is 9 o'clock, we were in the park by like 8:20. And they, as you may have seen, Main Street was lined with cast members. So they were all clapping and applauding, and it's so sweet. And then all the rides are open. So we went right on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, no wait, and now we're off. And it's probably like 8:30, 8:35 now. And we are trying to figure out what we want to do next because we know that touring is going to change. But that's why we're here, to figure it all out. Walking towards Big Thunder. Beautiful morning. Not crowded at all yet. Hopefully it'll stay this way. This is a relaxation zone that is near Pecos Bills. This is obviously a small area that's out in the sun. So it would work if you needed it, but there are other better options. So just like we were on the AP preview day, we're in the Tortuga Tavern seating area. This place is open usually for lunch and dinner, but in the morning it's completely empty. There is a relaxation zone that's nearby, like right there near Pecos Bills, but it's all out in the sun. And so it's much easier to come under here where it's a lot cooler. So we are having water and taking our masks off. We did 3 rides in an hour. So, or actually not an hour, 30 minutes. It was even quicker. So this is a good chance to just like have water, cool off, and then we're headed to Pirates again.
Scurvy scum and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow, or I'll be sending you to Davy Jones.
So as you saw, we went on Pirates of the Caribbean and Jungle Cruise, and it's definitely going to be a new world, we think, where you rope drop the mountains as always, but also the boat rides, because they definitely build. And on Jungle Cruise you end up outside waiting in line, and it moves pretty quickly. It's just standing out in the sun is hard since everybody is so spaced out. So anyway, we will be back again to try to see what order makes sense, but so far that has definitely been our observation. And now we're headed to Tomorrowland. So we are in Tomorrowland now, and it does seem like stopping every hour or so to have water and take masks off is the most comfortable thing for us. We're in the lunching pad area, so the whole idea of, I mean, I've been talking about this, but there are relaxation zones and we will end up in one again, but we can grab a water and then the lunching pad, and it's not open, so all the seats here are available. But you can see, like, it's just any sort of unused quick service space is totally available, and it's covered, so we feel like we can cool off for a bit. The People Mover is not open. I think it's slated to be open soon, but it's just not open today, so we will not be riding that. Otherwise we definitely would be on it. But we want to check out and see how some of the stuff in Tomorrowland's going, and then head back to Fantasyland. So this is the third of the relaxation zones, and it is inside Storybook Circus, and it is so nice because it's the only one that's air conditioned, and it's at the back of the park, so I don't think a lot of people are back here or know about it, but it's incredible. And this is definitely our favorite so far. While we were in relaxation zone, it apparently rained, but we didn't even know. So now we are headed to Be Our Guest lunch. Let's go. So in the past, breakfast and lunch were quick service and dinner was table service, and it was dinner where the Beast would appear and you could go meet him. Now, breakfast is not available, but lunch and dinner are table service, and the Beast comes through and you can, you know, you can watch him, you can take selfies with him and that kind of stuff, which I kind of like better. Instead of having to leave your table to go into a room and get in a line to meet him and come back, you can just like take selfies and talk to him. We've already seen him a couple times, and our server told us that he'll probably come by a few times while we eat. So in some ways it's been better, and I kind of like it. So no disappointment with the changes there. All right, so review of the soups that we had. Thumbs up, they were good. We've had them before though, and we knew they would be delicious. So our entrees just arrived, and I got the pork tenderloin, and Heather has the filet mignon. We're still eating our dinner, but I wanted to tell you that this main room, which is the Grand Ballroom, the big one with the chandelier, is obviously where we're sitting, but the other rooms are available for both lunch and dinner. That includes the Rose Gallery, where the petals are following, where it's dark, where the, what's that called? The jewelry box lady? Music box. The music box, yeah, she looks like a music box. It has hardly anybody in there. But there's lots of space and all the rooms are available. We didn't request a room, but you can if you want to, and they will try to get you seated if they can. Okay, so our last course just arrived. It is a set dessert trio that everyone gets on the list, and it is 3 different things. One is lemon jam macaron. Is how you say it, macaron. I always want to say macaroon, but it's macaron, I think. The white chocolate chip cup, it's super cute. Look at this guy. Look at that, with the gray stuff inside. So cute. And then the last one is a dark chocolate truffle. So they're all things I've had before, so I'm hoping they'll be just as good, but so far I know they're really cute, so I'll keep you posted. Okay, so we are leaving the restaurant now. So here is final review. Food and service delicious, ambiance good as always. Having the Beast come by is better than meeting him, so I actually hope they keep that. I would say the price, and I'll show you the receipt, is just kind of wild, but you can decide if it's worth it to you. So there you go. Okay, final thoughts as we head down Main Street to leave the park before it starts raining again. Crowds slightly more than the AP preview, but still so light. You can see Main Street, look, See, still very manageable. Everybody very compliant. You definitely want to hit the mountains and the boat rides first. Pirates of the Caribbean, I think right now has the highest wait time. Is that right? Yes. Pirates. So that should tell you how that's changed. And it's hot, so having breaks to take the mask off and drink some water, very important, something that we're definitely going to build into our plans. But overall, a lot of the changes actually make it better. So I hope that they get to stick around. So I'm not going to try to encourage people to come if they don't want to be here, but if you do want to come, I think you might like some of the changes that have been made. So that concludes another Magic Kingdom day. Now it's time to check in to our new hotel room. Welcome to our 1-bedroom at Boulder Ridge. Let me take you on a quick tour. All right, so obviously small dining space, living space, and this folds out into a bed. I'll take you out there for a balcony view here in just a second. And there is a small but full kitchen, super handy. And villa resorts like this often have better shops for buying groceries. So we'll head over there and fill up on some things that we need. Then we have washer and dryer, invaluable when we change twice a day in the July heat. And then here is the first bathroom. So it's a full bath here. And then next to it is another one, a tub. And y'all know I use that for storage because I do not take baths, but at least we have a couple of sinks and then a big closet for storage. And then I can access, because this is the side I'll be on, so we can both access the bathroom from different sides. And then this is the bedroom. The view of the storage tub. All right, now I'm gonna take you back to overlook the balcony and see what, I haven't even looked out there to see what our view is yet. Okay, ready? Overlooking the pool. Beautiful. That's Geyser Point over there. Gorgeous. We'll be here for a week. We have been in the room working, so we decided to do mobile order at the resort. They don't have room service, which would normally be a really good option, but they do have mobile order, so you can order it in the app and then go and pick it up. There's only one location, Roaring Forks, right? And so Heather ordered it in the app and went and got it, and it was just in time because it just started storming. Thunder, lightning. Probably a lot of people were rushing out to get there because where else are you gonna eat? Everything seems like it closes pretty early. So been really happy with the options because Heather got Mickey waffles and we got these cute like Mickey desserts, and I got tuna fish. So it's just nice to have options, and now we're safe in our room in the storm. We're cozy. We're cozy. Can you tell by my blanket? Anyway, that is it for now. So after a stormy evening and night in our hotel room, we did some work, and that was kind of the end of our day, but I thought maybe it's a tradition. I can come out and show you what it looks like at the end of the day. It's a beautiful, peaceful night now at Wilderness Lodge. We'll be back tomorrow from Animal Kingdom. Thanks for watching.